Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If y'all are interested in finding out how I did this look with this wig, then stay tuned for the rest of the video. As y'all can see, this is a wig from Premium Lace Wigs, and that's me. So let's get into what the company sent us as far as the freebies. So first we have these clips, a pair of lashes, of course. We have a wig band and a ball cap. They also included in a pamphlet. It just tells you a little bit about their company, how to take care of the hair and things like that. So that's always good to have and include in, because all hair is different and it's taken care of in different ways. Now, this is the wig straight out the neck. It's 24 inches. And if I'm not mistaken, it's a 5x5. All details will be in the description, okay? So the inside, it has about 3 combs and a band just in case it's too small for your head. And they also have their company tag inside of the wig too. So when you receive the wig, you might want to check for that tag. Make sure it has the tag inside. Okay, I knew I wanted to do a middle part and my hot comb is broken. So basically, you're going to see me improvising with this flat iron, okay? So first, I'm just parting out my part where I want my middle part to be. And I'm just going to take it instead of hot combing the root to the end, I'm going to flat iron it. Granted, that does take a little longer, and y'all are definitely about to watch me struggle. I didn't even know if this was possible, but it is definitely possible. You don't need you don't need a hot comb to do this and straighten out that middle part. So y'all just gonna watch me do that. Sit, relax, and listen to this music.
Down, just like it all. Run the block, she's not on the shot. So you know I got this bad, watch her blow. Now she gets away. Every time, I come down. Get down to the world, she gets away. Yeah, that's how it goes. That's how it goes. Nobody does, she gets away. Every time, come down. Can't get rid of the world when she gets away. Yeah, that's how it goes. That's how it goes. Nobody does, she gets away. She gets away. She wasn't on a road, she won on a winner. She the dark skin girl to the light skin crew. Probably to you. She the light skin girl and the light skin crew. Y'all know the 3 house to say. This bitch knows that crazy love. She gets down just like crazy love. Round the block, she's not on the shots. That bitch bad, watch her blow. Now she gets away.
So now what I'm getting ready to do is use this Lotta Body. I've been using it the whole video. I'm going to put it on the hairline and kind of brush it into the hairline to make the flyaways just lay down so I can see what the hairline is really looking like. I'm not sure if the description on this wig is pre-plucked, but it's not given pre-plucked. The hairline is not super natural. Now, depending on the customer, that could be a good or a bad thing. It gives you room to pluck the wig how you want it, pluck it to your forehead, your hairline. So I mean, it's just up to you. Now, I'm using the residue on my foundation brush to basically just put a little foundation on the lace. Y'all see the lace melted into my skin the moment I put it on. So it's a yes to the premium lace. The lace is nowhere to be found. So the next steps I'm taking for this wig is I'm putting a lot of body back on the hairline again. Then I'm putting the wig band on. I'm going to let that sit while I pop some crimson to my head, which that took a cool 45 minutes or so y'all can sit back and watch that.
We in the bag and we mugging the T.I. And I'm in a bad bitch and I got in the dish. Oh yeah, I'm still saying this bitch knows like Lindsay Lohan. She gets down just like Lindsay Lohan. Run the block, she's not on the shot. So you know I got this bad, watch her blow her home. Now she gets away. Every time, well, she gets away. She wasn't on a road, she wanted on a runner. See the dark skin girls with the light skin crews. Probably used to you. She the light skin girl and the light skin crew. Y'all know the three. I'm still saying this bitch knows like Lindsay Lohan. She gets down just like Lindsay Lohan. Round the block, she's not on the shots. That bitch bad, watch her blow her home. Now she gets away.
So right here, I'm just taking a little concealer and I'm hitting that part just to carve it out and make it pop for the camera. In person, I don't think you really need it. It's not really necessary, but it definitely looks good on camera. A few things about this hair. I showed y'all the length check. It's past my waist. I'm 5'1" for reference. It didn't shed too much, but like I always say, if you watch my hair videos, bone straight hair should never shed. This is the end result. I absolutely love this hair. When I was crimping it, it did have a smell, so definitely wash this hair before you pop it on your head. All details about the wig will be linked. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.